The Enemy 40 extract based MCQs. Hello, student. Welcome to Easy English with PSV. And today we shall discuss 40 extract based MCQs for the chapter The Enemy. और आज हम बात करेंगे एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस की जो आपके दी एनिमी से लिया गया है। ये आपके विस्टस बुक में सेकंड चैप्टर है अभी 2021 के सिलेबस के लिए। एक्चुअली इट इज़ योर फोर्थ चैप्टर, लेकिन 2021 के सिलेबस के लिए आपका सेकंड चैप्टर होगा। लेट्स बिगिन। He was flung up out of the ocean, flung, it seemed, to his feet by a breaker. He staggered a few steps, his body outlined against the mist, his arms above his head. Then he curled mist, hid him again. Who's that? Hannah cried. She dropped Dr. Sadao's arm, and they both leaned over the railing of the veranda. Question number 1. Who was he? कौन पानी में से अचानक से निकल के आता है मिस्ट के बीच में? कौन था वो? Who was this character? Tom, prisoner of war. ये कैरेक्टर था Tom, prisoner of war. How did he come out of the ocean? ओशन से वो बाहर कैसे आता है? He staggered a few steps. Somebody pulled him out from the ocean. He was flung out of the ocean by a breaker. None of these. Correct answer. He was flung out of the ocean by a breaker. Who is that? Who said this? किसने ये बात कही? कौन है वो? Who said this? हाना. हाना कौन है? डॉक्टर सदाओ की वाइफ है. Which word from the following means the same as shaked? Shaked का क्या मतलब? कांपना होता है, स्टैगर करना. करेक्ट आंसर staggered. What shall we do with this man? हम इस आदमी का क्या करेंगे? डॉक्टर सदाओ muttered, but his trained hands seemed of their own will to be doing what they could do. Stanch the fearful bleeding. He packed the wound with the sea moss that strewed the beach. The man moaned with pain in his stupor, but he did not awaken. The best thing that we could do would be to put him back in the sea, Dr. Sadao said, answering himself. Who was this man? ये आदमी कौन था? This man was a white man. अमेरिकन था, prisoner of war था. What did Dr. Sadao do after noticing fearful bleeding? जैसे ही fearful bleeding उसने नोटिस किया डॉक्टर सदाओ ने, क्या किया उसने? He did not notice the bleeding. He put him back in the sea. He packed the wound with sea moss that strewed the beach. Yes. He packed the wound with sea moss that strewed the beach. According to the given passage, what had they decided to do with this man? पैसेज में देखें तो उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड किया? दो चीज़ें वो डिसाइड करते हैं, और ऐसे क्वेश्चंस अगर आपको मिलते हैं एग्जामिनेशन में तो आप पैसेज के हिसाब से ही आंसर करेंगे. यहाँ इस पैसेज में उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड किया कि उसको वापस से फेंक देते हैं सी में, मरने के लिए छोड़ देते हैं. वैसे भी उसको मरना था, उनका ये मानना था. लेकिन अगर आगे बढ़ के आप देखेंगे आने वाले पैसेजेस में तो वहाँ पे वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि इसको लेके चलते हैं घर में. तो आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर अकॉर्डिंग टू पैसेज ही करने हैं. दे डिसाइडेड टू पुट हिम बैक इन द सी. They decided to stanch the fearful bleeding. They decided to pack the wound with sea moss. Correct answer, option first. They decided to put him back into the sea. What did the man do in his stupor? अपनी बेहोशी में उसने क्या किया? The man did not wake. The man moaned with pain. The man was answering himself. The man muttered. The man moaned with pain. कराहता है वो दर्द से. Now, third one. Sadao knew that his education was his father's chief concern. For this reason, he had been sent at 22 to America to learn all that could be learned of surgery and medicine. He had come back at 30, and before his father died, he had seen Sadao become famous not only as a surgeon but as a scientist, because he was perfecting a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean. He had not been sent abroad with the troops. Also, he knew there was some slight danger that the old general might need an operation for a condition for which he was now being treated medically, and for this possibly Sadao was being kept in Japan. Now questions. What was Dr. Sadao's father's chief concern? Very easy question. Sadao's education. Dr. Sadao's education. This was the chief concern of his father. At what age did Dr. Sadao go to America? किस एज में वो जाते हैं अमेरिका? 22. और कब आते हैं रिटर्न? एट 30 ईयर्स. जब 30 ईयर्स के हो जाते हैं वो. वाई वॉज डॉक्टर सदाओ सेंट टू अमेरिका? क्या करने के लिए जाते हैं वहां पे? टू लर्न सर्जरी एंड मेडिसिन। वाई वॉज डॉक्टर सदाओ नॉट सेंट अब्रॉड विद द ट्रूप्स? ट्रूप्स के साथ, जापानीज आर्मी के साथ उनको नहीं भेजा जाता, जबकि जापानीज आर्मी को उनकी जरूरत थी। क्यों नहीं भेजा जाता? बिकॉज ही वॉज परफेक्टिंग डिस्कवरी विच वुड रेंडर वुंड्स एंटायरली क्लीन, बिकॉज ही वॉज ट्रीटिंग ओल्ड जनरल बोथ 1 and 2, बिकॉज ही डिड नॉट वांट टू गो। करेक्ट आंसर both 1 and 2. Do tell me your score after attempting all these 40 questions. If you are enjoying it, if you find it useful, hit the like button. There is something about him that looks American, Dr. Sadao said. He took up the battered cap. Yes, they are almost gone, was the faint lettering. A sailor, he said, from an American warship. He spelled it out, US Navy. The man was a prisoner of war. He has escaped, Hana cried softly. And that is why he is wounded in the back. Dr. Sadao agreed. Who took the battered cap, worn out cap? किसने उठाई? डॉक्टर सदाओ ने। करेक्ट आंसर डॉक्टर सदाओ। हु वॉज द मैन? ये जो मैन था वो आदमी कौन था? यूएस नेवी सेलर, वुंडेड मैन, प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर, ऑल ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर ऑल ऑफ दीज। वुंडेड भी था, यूएस नेवी का सेलर भी था और प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर भी था। What was written on the battered cap? क्या लिखा था battered cap पे? US Navy. Why did Hana say he has escaped? क्यों कहा हाना ने कि वो भाग गया है, बच गया है? Because he was wounded in the back, because he was a prisoner of war, because he was a sailor, both 1 and 2. Correct answer both 1 and 2. एक तो उसको गोली लगी है पीठ में और दूसरी वो एक prisoner of war था। Now, fifth one. The master ought not to heal the wound of this white man. He said bluntly to Hana. The white man ought to die. First he was shot, then the sea caught him and wounded him with the rocks. If the master heals what the gun did and what the sea did, they will take revenge on us. I'll tell him what you say, Hana replied courteously. But she herself was also frightened, although she was not superstitious, as the old man was. The master ought not to heal the wound of this man. Who said this? किसने कही ये बात? The old gardener ने। गार्डनर ने ये बात कही थी। They'll take revenge on us. Who are they here? They word किसके लिए आया है? The sea, the gun, both 1 and 2, none of these. ओल्ड गार्डनर जो है बड़ा ही सुपरस्टिशियस है और वो कहता है कि बंदूक, समुद्र ये सब बदला लेंगे। सो बोथ 1 and 2. The white man ought to die. Why did he say this? उसको मरना चाहिए। क्यों? ऐसा उसने क्यों कहा? Because he is loyal to the country and prejudiced against white men. Yes, this is the correct answer. Because he is loyal to his country and prejudiced against the white men. Which word from the following means the same as affably? Affably का मतलब courteously. ये आपके टेक्स्ट में आया हुआ है, पैसेज में, courteously. That means affably, friendly. Now sixth one. This door opened into a passage, and down the passage they carried the man towards an empty bedroom. It had been the bedroom of Dr. Sadao's father, and since his death, it had not been used. They laid the man on the deeply matted floor. Everything here had been Japanese to please the old man, who would never, in his own home, sit on a chair or sleep in a foreign bed. What did Dr. Sadao and Hana decide to do with the white man? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने आपको बताया इसी वीडियो में कि दो तरह के क्वेश्चन इसमें बनेंगे सेम पैसेज के अकॉर्डिंग। यहां पे आप देखेंगे उन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि घर ले आएंगे। पहले क्या डिसाइड किया? इनिशियली दे डिसाइडेड टू थ्रो हिम बैक इनटू द सी, लेकिन यहां पे दोबारा आगे चल के वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि घर लेके आएंगे। दे डिसाइडेड टू टेक द व्हाइट मैन इनसाइड देयर हाउस। व्हाट इज करेक्ट आंसर हियर? दे डिसाइडेड टू टेक द व्हाइट मैन इनसाइड देयर हाउस। हुज बेडरूम वाज इट? किसके बेडरूम में लेके आते हैं? डॉक्टर सदाओस फादर। ये डॉक्टर सदाओ के फादर का बेडरूम था। वेयर हैज डॉक्टर सदाओ एंड हाना लेड द मैन? कहां लिटाया उस आदमी को, प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर को, व्हाइट मैन को? ऑन द मैटेड फ्लोर। वाई वॉज एवरीथिंग इन द रूम जापानीज? क्यों सारी चीजें जापानीज थी? बिकॉज डॉक्टर सदाओ एंड हाना लव जापानीज आइटम्स, बिकॉज दे वॉन्टेड टू प्लीज द ओल्ड मैन, बिकॉज दे वॉन्टेड टू शो पैट्रियटिज्म, नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर बिकॉज दे वॉन्टेड टू प्लीज द ओल्ड मैन। ओल्ड मैन कौन है? सदाओ के फादर। शी टर्न्ड टू द नर्सरी एंड कॉल्ड यू मी, but the children heard her voice, and she had to go in for a moment and smile at them and play with the baby boy, now nearly 3 months old. over the baby's soft black hair. She motioned with her mouth. Yumi, come with me. I'll put the baby to bed. Yumi replied, he is ready. Who is Yumi? Yumi कौन है? A cook, an American sailor, a gardener, a servant who looks after Dr. Sadao and Hannah's children. Last option, a servant who looks after Dr. Sadao and Hannah's children. But the children heard her voice. Whose voice had the children heard? किसकी आवाज सुन गए बच्चे? Hannah's, Dr. Sadao, Yumi, Tom's. Hannah's voice. अपनी मदर की. How old was the baby boy? Baby boy की एज कितनी है? 3 months old. He is ready. Who said to whom? बेबी सोने के लिए तैयार है. किसने किससे बोला? यूमी टू हाना. यूमी ने कहा. जब हाना ने यूमी को बुलाया तो यूमी ने कहा बेबी सोने के लिए तैयार है. It is not quite at the kidney, my friend. Dr. Sadao murmured. It was his habit to murmur to the patient when he forgot himself in an operation. My friend, he always called his patients, and so now he did, forgetting that this was his enemy. Then quickly, with the cleanest and most precise of incisions, the bullet was out. The man quivered, but he was still unconscious. Nevertheless, he muttered a few English words. It is not quite at the kidney, my friend. Why is Dr. Sadao calling his enemy my friend? अपने दुश्मन को वो मित्र क्यों बुला रहा है? Because he always called his patient my friend, and so now he did. Because he always considers his enemy as his friend. Because he has the habit of calling everyone my friend. None of these. Correct answer. Because he always called his patient my friend, and so now he did. Why was Dr. Sadao murmuring? Dr. Sadao बड़बड़ा क्यों रहे थे? It was his habit to murmur when he is scared. It was his habit to calm down the patient by murmuring. It was his habit to murmur to the patient when he forgot himself in operation. All of these. Option third. It was his habit to murmur to the patient when he forgot himself in operation. What happened to the man when Dr. Sadao pulled out the bullet from inside? जब गोली निकाली डॉक्टर सदाओ ने उसकी पीठ में से तो उसने कैसे रिएक्शन दिया? The man fainted, the man quivered but was still unconscious. The man lost his consciousness. The man became still. Answer, the man quivered, थोड़ा सा कांपता है लेकिन अभी भी बेहोश था. Which word from the following means the same as hum? Hum, बड़बड़ाना, murmur. Now second last extract. You say the man escaped, the general asked faintly. He had been operated upon a week before, an emergency operation to which Dr. Sadao had been called in the night. For 12 hours, Dr. Sadao had not been sure the general would live. The gallbladder was much involved. Then the old man had begun to breathe deeply again and to demand food. Dr. Sadao had not been able to ask about the assassins. So far as he knew, they had never come. The servants had returned, and Yumi had cleaned the guest room thoroughly and had burned sulfur in it to get the white man's smell out of it. You say the man escaped. Who is the man here? किस आदमी की बात कर रहे हैं जो भाग गया? White man. Answer, white man, जिसका नाम क्या है? Tom, American prisoner of war. Why was Dr. Sadao not sure that general would live? डॉक्टर सदाओ श्योर नहीं थे कि उस रात जब ऑपरेशन वो कर रहे हैं 12 आवर्स का ऑपरेशन है, डॉक्टर सदाओ को ये उम्मीद नहीं थी कि जनरल तकीमा बच जाएंगे. वाई? बिकॉज द गॉल ब्लैडर वॉज मच इन्वॉल्व्ड. वाई डिड यूमी बर्न द सल्फर? यूमी उस प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर के जाने के बाद गेस्ट रूम में पूरा सल्फर जलाती है टू गेट द वाइट मैन स्मेल आउट ऑफ द रूम. करेक्ट आंसर, टू गेट द वाइट मैन स्मेल आउट ऑफ द रूम. नेम द ऑथर. इस लेसन के ऑथर का नाम क्या है? इस लेसन के ऑथर का नाम है पर्ल सिडेन स्ट्राइकर बक. करेक्ट आंसर, पर्ल सिडेन स्ट्राइकर बक. बाकी जो राइटर्स दिए हुए हैं उनके बारे में भी जान लेते हैं. द थर्ड लेवल लिखा गया जैक फिनी के द्वारा. जॉन अपडाइक ने लिखा शुड विजर्ड हिट मॉमी, और कॉलिन डेक्स्टर ने लिखा इवान स्ट्राइज एंड ओ लेबल. एक लेसन और आपका बचता है ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट, जिसको लिखा सूजन हिल ने. नाउ द लास्ट वन. Don't forget to tell me your score in comment section. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. It is very unfortunate that this man should have washed up on your doorstep, he said irritably. I feel it to myself, Dr. Sadao said gently. It would be best if he could be quietly killed, the general said. Not by you, but by someone who doesn't know him. I have my own private assassins. Suppose I send 2 of them to your house tonight, or better, any night. You need to know nothing about it. It is now warm. What would be more natural than that? You should leave the outer partition of the white man's room open to the garden while he sleeps. Now questions. What suggestion did the old general give to Dr. Sadao? क्या suggestion दिया? To kill the man quietly, to hand over the man to the police, to put him back into the sea. None of these. Correct answer. To kill the man quietly. What was the plan? क्या plan बनाया गया? The plan was to send 2 private assassins to Dr. Sadao's house to kill the man, to leave the outer portion of the white man's room open to the garden while he sleeps. Both 1 and 2. Neither 1 nor 2. Correct answer. Both 1 and 2. It is very unfortunate that this man should have washed up on your doorstep. Who said this? किसने ये बात कही? ये बात कही जनरल ताकीमा ने. Now the last one. Which word from the following means the same as indignantly? Indignantly का मतलब होता है showing anger, गुस्से से, irritation के साथ. So correct answer, irritably.